Yo guys, what's up? How's everybody doing out there? Looks like the market was pretty rough on us today. One of the reasons that I want to do this topic is to give some people some alternatives to the stock market, right? So this is a new thing called crowdfunding, crowd investing. There's other options for accredited investors as well. That's some of the ones you might see here that are Regulation D. The crowdfunding is Regulation CF, but Microventures, this company website that I'm on, and I'm in the account, you can see that there's a bunch of offerings out there. These are a bunch of Regulation D offerings. There have been in the past a bunch of Regulation CF offerings in here as well. See, there's a CF. Side streams, super early investments. It's also called angel investing, but it's more crowdfunding investing. They got Autobahn Bioscience, Surfs Up. You got a bunch of different things, right? You can invest in different things, and it's an alternative to the stock market, and has the potential for super high returns. Like for example, if you got into like Beyond Meat, you would have had like an insane return, right? Like 1,000x or whatever, if you got involved with them during the startups. And they also give you little perks and stuff like that too. So that's kind of cool. Let me take you into one of the menus here. You get the invest, and I was in offerings. So let's go into the some of the things that I've invested in already. You can see these are the things that are invested in my portfolio. Blended, it's like an automated juice bar. You can see I put $100 in it back in January. So it's kind of cool. Just give people some options. 3D Technologies. You can see I did October back there. So they always have new stuff coming out. Go Deskless. Yep, that's a good one. Problems. It's sportswear. They do a bunch of different things. I did a little bit more on that one because they offered me some coupons to their website for early investors. So that's always a good thing to get some stuff like that, right? So and you also get a share of the company. So this is really good stuff. So it's a new avenue for people who don't have a lot of money, can start to diversify into alternative investments other than silver and gold, and you got stocks and bonds. So this is like a new thing for angel investing. Typically, you have to have like $50,000 to $100,000 to make an investment, but Microventures, WeFunder, Our Crowd, a bunch of these guys are out there. So I encourage you guys to go look at it and evaluate these things for yourself. But I just want to put this out there as an alternative. I like this platform. They don't have an app for your phone that I've seen. Some of the other ones do. WeFunder does for sure, and I really like that app. Maybe I'll review that one a little bit. But I just like to encourage you guys to go out there and look for other things besides the stock market. Stock market's kind of like teetering on the edge of crashing and going up, and it's extremely overvalued. If interest rates go up, the stock market could be in real trouble. So these are some of the alternative investments out there for you. Like I said before, I'm not an advisor. I'm not a professional. Do your own research. Don't take my advice. I'm just some guy on the internet, probably going to lose a ton of money. Maybe not. We'll see how this works out, right? You could potentially, you never know. It's Play Labs, right? It's a online gaming thing. Could explode. Who knows? Go Deskless, right? They could be like the next Zoom, right? People need mobile offices. There's a lot more work from home stuff. So who knows? This stuff could really take off, but I like to limit my investments at this point. I'm just getting getting my feet wet in this angel investing and stuff like that. So I just want to encourage you guys to go out there and start looking at this. All right, guys. If you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comments below. If you guys hear of anything, there's also another good opportunity I want to share with you guys that I took advantage of in another video. It's going to be a surprise. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell for the daily options trade and some alternative investments. You never know what I'm going to come up with. Next big thing. It's going to make everybody rich. Hopefully. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.